らせた。この諦めない。そう簡単には。
Welcome back, guys, to another video. Today we will be hacking in TSP. We'll be doing some animations. I'll be using some hacks to do some animations. You'll see them. Alright, so first we have to load into the game. We're right here in the game. Yes, the receiver's stupid. Alright, now that we have the hacks, first we are going to do this. Yes, you are right. We're getting intense off the start. We're straight up flying right now. Let's see his reaction. Look at him. Look at him. Look at him. Look at him. Oh. Look at him. Look at him trying to attack me. He said lol. Bitch, shut up. That's a big boy.